How can companies reduce non-productive times in robotic welding in order to improve productivity? The first big thing is programming time. So you can, of course, use offline programming. That means that you have the programming out of the process. Second possibility is, especially with cobots, that you have a very fast programming. So that also reduces these downtimes. Or you use a SIM tracking sensor that completely avoids programming time. Second thing is, especially in gas metal arc welding, you always have weld spatters. Even if you minimize them, there are still some, and that means from time to time you have to clean your torch necks. Using an automatic torch cleaning station will help you here. But nevertheless, at some time you will have to change your torch neck or your TIG electrode in robotic TIG welding. Here you can use an automatic torch exchange system, and by this you will move the maintenance outside of your robotic cell. That also will reduce downtime. So using all these methods will drastically improve your productivity in robotic welding.